And from Mansoura, we directly go to Port Said, as now I am talking to Nile TV's correspondent, Lubna Yahya. A very good evening to you, Lubna. First of all, tell me more about the electoral process. How is it going? How is the experience of every person casting his ballot? Tell me more about this, and how is it running smoothly, and if there is any obstacles or problems reported until now.
Good evening, Reem, and good evening to everyone watching us right now. We are here in Port Said, the beautiful city. As you can tell, the weather is quite lovely here, and people are I'm sorry. And people are actually coming around since the morning to cast their votes. As you know, Port Said has here 50 polling stations, and one district specifically called Hayy al-Zuhur district has around 13 districts alone with around 150,000 voters there. However, here we are in the East District, Hayy al-Sharq, and we are in front of al-Mu'mineen school. And the governor has showed up yesterday on the first day of the polling to supervise himself the election process. Major General Muhib Habashi, the governor of Port Said. He was also interviewed by several media outlets, and he made sure that all the facilitations are well provided and are actually given to all the needed around here. Moreover, Reem, the demographics here are quite interesting. We've noticed here in Port Said that most of the voters are actually young people, young ladies and young men. They are very keen on being part of the political aspect here in Egypt. So they come over ever since the morning. The turnout is quite large to cast their votes. Also, the elderly were part of the process as well, and the needed support for them was also there. Some people were given the assistance. They were on wheelchairs, and there were wheelchairs available for them, especially the elder people or the needy ones with people with determination specifically. Also, another significant note is the Braille card. For people with visual impairments, the National Election Authority ensured that all parties with all abilities be part of the election process here in Egypt and, of course, in Port Said. One more thing, Reem, that I'd like to mention. Yesterday in the video conference in the National Election Authority by Councillor Ahmed Ben Dari, he was in touch with two councillors from Port Said, specifically the first councillor Hisham Abdel Megid. He said that all the procedures are actually going well and going smoothly with no obstructions around the polling stations at all, and all the facilitations needed are there. He was also in touch with Councillor Ghassan Mahmoud. Councillor Ghassan Mahmoud has said that 50 polling stations are present in Port Said, and they all opened on time from 9 a.m. and they actually also closed on time and or is willing to close on time, which is 9 p.m. So everything was going in check. However, he mentioned one single issue that faced the governorate here, which is there's one subcommittee that opened 40 minutes late, and that is due a malfunction in one of the ballot boxes. They found that it is broken somehow, so they decided to delay the opening of the committee up to 40 minutes, and that is the only issue that was reported here in Port Said.
So aside from this, I'm glad, Lubna, to hear from you that the process is running smoothly without any obstacles reported, no issues. So also I would like to mention that I can see behind you, Lubna, the security's presence in this polling station. If you would like to tell me more about the security provided to ensure that this process is running also easily and that people can cast their votes safely.
Yes, Reem, the security here is quite very high actually. The policemen and people that are part of the process have been here on time since 9 a.m. and they are providing all the security measures needed to keep the election smooth and to keep the place and to keep the election process going on without any violations and without any obstructions. I have spoken to security personnel here and they are keen on being present and providing the assistance or help needed. There are also guidelines and banner guidelines given to the people, and if anyone needs any help, they provided to them. Also, there haven't been any reported issues or any kind of problems with the citizens casting their votes. So the security has been here monitoring and observing everything with no issues reported. Everything around here is going very well in a very civilized way.
I would like to thank you very much, Lubna Yahya, Nile TV's correspondent from Port Said. Thank you for putting us in the picture and updating us regarding all what's happening. And one of the most significant points that Lubna has mentioned, dear viewers, is the braille cards present so that people with determination and low vision issues could also participate and not miss this very important democratic event. So we're still continuing this special coverage, the Senate elections 2025. Still stay tuned on Nile TV International, but let's have a short break and get back to this special coverage.